we come to that part of the evening where many of you are watching closely to know the winners of this session. We will begin with the best backhoe loader brand 2021, one of the most ubiquitous equipment at sites. I would like to invite Mr. Ankush Khanna, the Director for Commercial Brand Marketing, South Asia Pacific at ExxonMobil, to hand over this award. Mr. Khanna, over to you.
Hello everyone. We in ExxonMobil are extremely pleased to be associated with Construction Week for its inaugural Equipment and Infrastructure Conference and Awards 2021. I would like to utilize this opportunity to present the award for the winner in the category of the Best Brand Backhoe Loaders 2021. And the award goes to JCB India. Congratulations to the JCB India team.
I take this opportunity to thank Construction Week and members of the jury to award JCB Backhoe Loaders as the best backhoe loader brand in the country. Thank you very much. JCB introduced backhoe loaders almost 4 decades ago, and ever since, it's revolutionized the way construction equipments are looked at in the country. At the onset, I'd like to thank customers who've actually been the core of the story, our dealers who stayed invested, who have actually believed in the brand JCB, our financiers who looked at the industry and took major stake, our suppliers who invested with the business, and more importantly, my colleagues who have actually helped us get this straight. Thank you everyone, and I assure you that the JCB backhoe loader will remain the most preferred CE. We at JCB remain committed to the India growth story. We have an exciting lineup of products to grow the market and to make sure that the core, which is the customers, are always ahead. Thank you very much.